आमचो एक प्लॅन हा, मुख्यमंत्रीचो प्लॅन हा, आनी वीच यू वील युअर सेल्फ थ्रू द मिडिया तुमकां कळोन येतले, ज्या तरेचे एडवर्टायजमेंट चालू जातले येवपाक. कमीत कमी नोव्हेंबर एंड ते डिसेंबर म्हयन्यान तुमकां कमीत कमी एडवर्टायजमेंट येवपाक लागतल्यो. अप टू जानेवारी यू विल सी जॉब रिक्रुटमेंट एडवर्टायजमेंट amounting to close to 5,500 government jobs. Honorable Chief Minister has asked me to inform all the members of the media is that from December you shall see a flow of government jobs for the youth of the state of Goa, amounting to, like I said, the figure that has been overall assessed is around 5 to 5,500 jobs, which will be advertised, and the process for recruitment will start by January once the period of applications is over. Bharatiya Janata Pakshacho sarkar jo ha is committed for employment, youth employment, direct recruitment of our youth into the government sector following all due procedures of law. आणि दुसरे म्हणजे health departmentan. Now I'll just read out few doctors who are on bond. DHS will be paying the salaries. We have made provision under National Health Mission to make payment for the salaries of these doctors. For the first time, we are strictly implementing the bond, and we have told the Dean Goa Medical College and the Public Health Department there is no question of releasing documents of the students unless the bond is fulfilled. And आमकां हेंची गरज आहा. आतां आमी कितें थरयलां की आमचे कडेन आतां टोटली एक 40-50 doctor, 33 is directly from Goa Medical College. Now these doctors are from the posts of, you have got postgraduates in pathologists, microbiologists, pediatrics, chest physicians, orthopedic surgeons, anesthetists, ENT doctors, radiologists, gynecologists, आणि 7 डॉक्टर हा डेंटल कॉलेजच्यो जे MDS कंप्लीट केल्या, they are also on bond. They will be also deployed. Then we have optometric technicians and other technicians that are available, that making this in a combined package of around 55 doctors. They will be deployed to the MAPSA North District Hospital, Hospicio and Ponda Hospital. So we will divide them into these 3 places, and maybe in some periphery hospitals where we require their services. So this will help us strengthen the functioning of the health services. Orders are being issued by name. They will be deployed next week in these 3 hospitals, initially in these 3 hospitals, so that the people of Goa are in a better position to get good health care from this type of arrangement. की नॉन गोवनाचो तो विशय आशिल्लो तो कमिटीन 2 मिटिंग्यो घेतल्यो. आमी कितें म्हणटा की आमी चार्ज फूल फ्लेज करचे ना, पूण देर वील बी चार्जींग. देर एनीबडी कॅन मेक अ नॉयज, दॅट डजंट मॅटर, बट दॅट वी आर डुईंग. OPD खातीर बी from next week we have given directions that there will be 2 lines. One is patient with Goan residency and patient from outpatients. So OPD खातीर भी bifurcation आमी करतले, registration खातीर भी bifurcation करतले. The medical superintendent had asked me for 1 week time to put this system in place. So this is the manner in which we are going ahead as far as the health department is concerned. दुसरी गोष्ट आसली आमचे vocational training, आमचे skill training. तुम्ही पळयलें आसतलें की क्राफ्ट्समॅन ट्रेनिंगान आमी फक्त कोर्सीस जे आयकतात ते कोर्सीस हा इलेक्ट्रिशियन, ते कोर्सीस हा प्लंबर, फिटर, हेंची बी गरज हा. बट वी आर नाव कमिंग अप विथ अ न्यू विजन, and I am personally taking initiative in drawing up this vision with the Department of Skill Development and Manpower Development. That is to create, now Mopa Airport is coming up. I am also in talks with certain, I know the owners of GMR, I am in talks with them. I am talking to them to talk to their technical team is what are the type of basic requirement of posts that are required in this new project. त्याच बरोबर तुम्ही मोपाचे विषय घेतल्यार तुमच्याकडे गॅस टर्बाइन टेक्निशियन्स हा, रेडिओ टेक्निशियन्स हा, ग्राउंड हँडलिंगाचो तरेतरेचे रिक्वायरमेंटचो स्टाफ हा. मोपा एअरपोर्ट येतलो आनी आमी आमचे भुरगे तयार करतले तशें आमी करूं शकना. म्हणून मुख्यमंत्रीक फुडल्या विकान प्रेझेंटेशन दिवपाचें हांवें थरयलां. I am trying to talk to these cruise liner owners, companies also, what is the type of post that they require, And those are the type of jobs then we need to train them. So 10-12 courses I am shortlisting so that we can start them by next Jan or July is the upper limit which we have kept. So in the next 6 months we will work overtime to get the certification for these courses, so they'll be certified and recognized. If you look at the Mopa Airport which is coming up and scale of the Mopa Airport, that's the main project which is coming up now in Goa, if you look at it, which will generate jobs. So we will identify 2-3 ITIs. One is in Pedne, we will take including Sattari, and one more Mapsa ITI. These 3 ITIs are the locations which we will utilize for training our boys and to make them capable of getting employment in this type of new projects and getting exported outside the state of Goa. The super specialty block has been already tendered on 9th of October. They have promised me that they will complete the procedure within 1.5 months. And we are targeting 19th December to put the foundation stone at the hands of the Chief Minister. And even the Regional Cancer Center, we are expecting the first installment at the end of this month, in the next couple of days. So both these projects we will put at the hands of Chief Minister in the month of December.